Hi and welcome. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to enable ringtone volume on Samsung Galaxy A52. So let's get started. First we have to go to the phone settings, then choose sounds and vibration, and then simply volume. At the top there's a ringtone volume, and we can simply enable it by going up. Yeah, and that's it. I'm just going to turn it off because it's so loud. Yeah, that's how you enable ringtone volume on Samsung Galaxy A52. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.